Hello friends, welcome to the part 4 of the Cypress web automation tutorials. Today I am going to explain about installation of Cypress and project setup. Let's go to the browser and select Node.js. Select the first link and click on downloads. After selecting downloads, you will be prompted to this download space. Here you will have Windows option, Mac OS option, source option. My computer is Windows operating system. I am selecting 64-bit and Node.js will start it. Don't select this option, select first option. Select first option, you will get the MSI. Second option, you will get zip folder. As I already installed Node.js in my computer, just after downloading, you just to follow the default option. Don't select any other option. Once Node is installed, go to open your any command prompt and enter Node. When you click on enter Node, after typing, click on enter Node, there will be a message, welcome to Node.js. If you are not getting this welcome message, then go to environment variables, click on environment variables, go to the path, select path from here, double click on this path, click on new, node will be installed in your C drive. Go to C drive, after C drive go to the program file, after program files, Node.js is installed. Click on Node.js, copy this path, under new, copy this. After copying, click on OK. As I have already have this Node.js installed and I have already selected. Click on OK and again open the command prompt, new command prompt. Don't open the same command. New command prompt, enter node. Once you enter the node, you will be prompted with welcome to Node.js. Close from here. Next, I will be installing Visual Studio Code Editor. Go to the Chrome or Firefox, enter Visual Studio Code. Select the first link. After selecting the first link, will be navigates to visualstudio.com page. Here, taking some time, here click on download for Windows. If your operating system is Windows. Otherwise, based on your operating system, select appropriate version. So click on download. When you click on download, it will be your download will start. I have already installed Visual Studio Code in my computer. I have cancelled it. Just to follow all the default options, click on exe file, go through all the default options. Once Visual Studio Code editor is installed in your computer, type for Visual Studio Code. Takes amount of time. Now Visual Studio Code editor is open. It will be almost similar like how it opens. Similarly, it will open for you also. Now I am going to create a folder. The softwares, for books, I'm creating new folder Cypress. This folder, I'm creating a new folder like base folder Cypress automation. In this folder, I will be installing Cypress. Open folder, click on open folder, select the Cypress. Select the Cypress automation. Select folder. Once you select, Cypress folder will be opened in the Visual Studio Code. Here it is open. Now we have to install Cypress. Before installing Cypress, we need to create a package.json. We can create package.json manually or use npm. Using npm, we can install Cypress. I am selecting the terminal here. You can choose the command, or if you have PowerShell, you can select PowerShell. Here I will enter npm init. Npm init command creates the package.json, and it will ask you for some default option. Under Cypress automation, I am creating the package.json. I am not creating manually, I am taking the help from Node Package Manager. It is asking for package name. What package name is required? If you want to give any package name, you can give it. Otherwise, use just default. Default will take Cypress underscore automation. I am taking default. Version it is asking. In this, I am taking the default version. Default it will 1.0.0. If you wanted to give, you can give different description. Description is empty. I wanted to give my first automation. My first Cypress automation have been a description. It is asking for entry point from where it starts. Index.js. I will go through what is index.js. For now, don't worry about it. Just give an. It is asking for test. I will go through in later section. Just click on enter. Git repository it is on. I don't have any Git repo. Just click on enter. Keyword. Don't have to give any keyword. Just click on enter. All the default. And you can give your name. License default it takes. It is asking for confirmation. Is it okay or not? This package.js. Just review it. If everything is fine, just click on this. Package.json is created. Open package.json. Whatever options we have given, all these displayed here. All those are selected here. Now we have created the package.json. Now we are going to install Cypress. It is not difficult. It is very easy compared to any other tool. Before installing Cypress.json, I will explain what is package.json. Why we have created package.json. Package.json is like, if you are what have experience in Selenium. In Selenium we have form maven file. In form we will mention all the dependencies. If you wanted to install any jar file, we will mention the dependency in form file, and we will install using mvn install command. Similar to form, in Node.js we are using package.json. Don't worry about Node.js, complex terms, anything, I will explain you what is required for this course. In package.json, we will mention all these. And after this, I'm going to install Cypress. It is very simple to install Cypress. Click on Cypress, click on cypress.io, go to the docs, getting started, click on installing Cypress. Here, how to create version run Cypress web package.json, all things are mentioned. You just copy this option. Don't go through all these complexity things. Go through all these things. Simple terms, I will explain everything. Copy this npm install Cypress management. npm is node package manager. Install Cypress. We are saying install Cypress using node package manager. Minus minus save is used to whatever Cypress dependencies are installed, save into package.json under dev dependency. You observe here there is no Cypress related dependencies in package.json. After executing this, Cypress related dependencies will be present. Now I am installing Cypress. It take you to some time, take some time. Please be patient. Depending on your internet connection, it takes time. Mine is bit slow, taking some time. For while installing Cypress, I will go through you Node. What is Node? Node is a JavaScript engine. Is a JavaScript engine. You can run JavaScript code in Node. Cypress is a JavaScript um, framework, automation test framework. You can run Cypress scripts Node.js. Like Java, we have JavaScript, and JVM we have in Java. Similar to JVM, we have npm node. Through node, you can run your JavaScript files. It's installing. Okay. While installing, you observe here all the modules, node modules which are required for this project Cypress will be installed here. There will be lot of files will be there, dependencies. All these files will be installed by default. You don't want how to install separate. Single command is used to install Cypress. Very simple. In case of other Selenium or protractor or anything, we have to put lot of dependencies one by one in package.json, and we have to be careful while versioning. Very simple. Why I have used minus save dev? First time when you are creating project first time, we need to mention Cypress dependency. As I have not mentioned the Cypress dependencies in package.json, using minus save dev in the package.json, Cypress dependencies will be added. Next time onwards, if the project is committed to Git repo in your company, and if another colleague is own this repository, and he will use just npm install, he don't have to mention npm install Cypress management. You don't have to execute this command. You just need to execute npm install command. Once it